Hi everyone, this is Vinod Doddamani. I'm basically belongs to Karnataka, Gulbarga. I have completed my BTech Civil Engineering from Sharnbasva University in the year of 2022. Basically, I'm from non-IT background, so I'm looking for IT job. I was searching for IT job. Then I got to know about Evision Technoserve. They are providing training and placement. Then I have decided to join Evision Technoserve. Uh, in 2025 I have joined Evision Technoserve. Then there I have joined the course for technical support engineer. There I have learned a lot of things about Windows administration, virtualization, networking, and some of the basic troubleshooting, both theoretical and as well as practical. Uh, both knowledge I got there. The trainers are very free and they are very flexible. And there I got good knowledge about all those things. Then recently I got placed in STARTEK, uh, that is Bangalore location, with a package of 2.8 LPA. uh, Recently I have joined that company. And thank you so much for everyone from Evision team. Special thanks to Ganesh sir, Sati madam, Priya madam, and special thanks to my HR Anamika. Thanks one and all.